This is Bella. Welcome to our Wuling factory. And today I will show you our cars and our production line and our inventory. Come on, let's go. Welcome to our production line. Let's come on and look at this. We have so many series of cars. N, T, V, L. We have all type of cars. Whatever cars you want, we can provide you. According to different customers' requirements, we design different models. Look at this, 9 seats, 11 seats, 4 seats, and so on. Our products can suitable for different sceneries. This is our parking line. And this is our testing area. Wow! This is our inventory parking lot for sightseeing cars. So big. Hello, Bella again. This is one of our commercial vehicles parking lot. They are waiting to be shipped out.